Quality inspection in manufacturing relies on a mix of automation and manual checks. Automated systems detect only known defects. Rare or unexpected issues often go unseen. Manual inspection adds expertise, but fatigue and scale remain challenges. Using physics-based simulation, realistic scratches, dents, and deformations are applied directly to a 3D model. Thousands of defect scenarios are generated, far beyond what real-world capture can provide. Before deployment, the AI is validated inside a digital twin of the manufacturing unit. Cameras, lighting, and operational conditions are stress-tested before production. In production, each part is inspected in real time. Confidence thresholds are applied. Defects are detected or cleared with full traceability. The result? A smarter quality system, trained for known and unknown defects before they reach the factory floor.